So we have Aditya from group 1. We have Jyoti from group 1. We have Pinky from group 1. Everybody from group 1? Okay. And then we have Vineet Divedi. Okay. So Vineet, you are from group 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we don't have anybody from group 2. We don't have anybody from group 4. Okay, so okay. Okay. So I think before we start on the assignment presentation, I would like to open this forum for Q&A or any doubts or any topic you like me to cover again. So feel free to unmute or type. Any questions, any doubt? What is paid search? Okay. So I hope you are, Aditya, you are talking in terms of Google, right? Yeah. So basically, now there are two ways of getting uh, results in when you do a Google search. First is SEO, where you do a search engine optimization. So it's a whole different stream where you follow different methodology, different keywords, different aspects of search engine optimization, which makes sure that your search hits into top results. So for example, if I open a browser, if I go on Google, right, and if I search here, what should I search? Let's do Samsung refrigerator, right? If I do the Samsung refrigerator, so if you see these sponsored links, these are the you know sponsored links, and then these are the ads. So these are the paid search, and then if you see these are the SEO, which is search engine optimization. So so there are three things now on Google. One is the sponsored link, one is the paid search, which is kind of advertisement, and second is the third one is the SEO optimization. So these ones, so this below this line, right? So these yeah, latest refrigerator, best price, latest. So these are the result of SEO. So SEO, what you do in SEO is that you do the optimization of your site by putting meta tags and uh, other tasks or other methodology you implement, which makes sure that whenever somebody search for those things, your search results comes on top. Then paid search is the advertisement, where you bid for the uh, results, where you bid for the keywords, and you get listed on top. So that's the paid search. And then you have sponsor links. So is it clear, Aditya? Okay. I think if you create your Google Ad account and you know do a quick tour of it, or you watch the video, it's really clarify everything. So have you tried it? Experimenting with your Google Ad account? I think in that case you should. I think because at least pick one and then try to explore. in the the study material or study links, I had shared few videos also which really give you a step-by-step tool how to create the Google Ads. No, it's not difficult to create. What you have to do is you have to just create an account, and then they ask for a credit card, I think, and they charge very nominal, like $1 kind of fee to make sure that you are uh, the genuine user, and then you can create it.
So can you explain it again?
Which one?
Hello?
Yeah.
So can you explain it again?
What? Paid search or how to create a Google ad?
How to create a Google account?
So, what you need is that you need your Gmail ID, okay? And you select this, you go into, log in from your Gmail ID, go Google AdSense, they call it AdSense, click on it, and it will open the, yeah. You just sign up for it, or I think I have already signed up, so it won't allow me to sign up. Okay. What you have to do is you have to mention your email address. So I've already signed for it, so it's a continue. Otherwise, you have to just mention your email ID and your website, and that's it. So so it will allow you to log in, and then you can create different campaigns for it. But
Yes, sir. We understood. Actually, budget is also there.
right. So it won't. So until and unless you don't publish the campaign, it won't exhaust your money. But when you create an account, it will ask for some details and you ask for the credit card. So you just enter your credit card. It will charge $1 just to make sure that you are the genuine user, and then it will create. So after this, now you can create your campaign. So this is the search network display select. So you have a different campaign which you can create. Otherwise, I think in my, let me open this PGPM. If you go on the course site, yeah. So if you go on the course, right, so this had placed some of the, let's go to this. So this PDF has complete, explanation how you can create it, right? Just go through this. If you have any questions, just drop me an email. It's a very straightforward document, and I think I did share some video links also. Let me check out. I think it was part of the. So you have session 2, session 3 presentations, right? So if you go to this, so can you see my screen now, the presentation? Okay. So if you open this link, it has a complete, these 3 links really a complete details how you can create a Google ad. So just go through this. I think that will explain everything. Even if after the, so have you gone through these links, Aditya? So Aditya, have you watched these videos which I shared? Okay. Yeah. So, with PDF, you should watch these videos also because it's really explain everything in a demoable manner. Which will take you to step by step in a very visual manner. So you should visit this. And even after viewing these videos, if you still have questions, feel free to drop me an email and we can connect. That's not an issue. Okay. So what about others? Any other questions you have?
Two, we have doubt.
So Jyoti, can you please speak up loud? You're not audible.
Sir, I'm saying in assignment 2, I have doubts, sir.
Tell me.
In assignment 2, sir, which you are given, that in that assignment, I have doubts, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is the doubt?
Sir, there that you are given 1 crore rupees for doing planning and create a budget for water purify before 6 months.
Right.
Sorry, for 6 months. So, sir, I'm not understand like where I like spend my money like 3 content: Facebook, Google Ads, and LinkedIn. So, if I kept 1 lakh for 3 content, okay, and after that, where for creating the site, I that things I'm not understand where I kept money for that.
So
Like.
I got your point. So, Judy, what the assignment is, now because you understand the social media marketing and the assignment says,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so assignment says that you have a 4 crore of budget to spend. So, imagine this, let's say for example, you are running that campaign, right? And you have this budget to spend in next 6 months of time. So you need to build a strategy. So which channel to use is a part of that strategy. For example, you think that water cooler people, it's a high probability that people who are on Facebook would like to buy water purifier rather than people on LinkedIn. So so then you need to divide that budget where you want to spend. Let's say you say that I don't want to do any of the marketing or I don't want to spend any of the budget on LinkedIn or Google. I just want to focus on Facebook. So you put all your 4 crore on that, and then you spend more on Facebook. So that strategy has to be built.
So, sir, if I'm thinking like 3 companies there, so I have to spend in 3 company, for 3 company.
No,
you don't.
It's not mandatory that you spend or you choose all 3 of them. This is the strategy, which you have to build.
Okay.
You may
Sir, can I speak in Hindi? Sir, actually, I have.
Sure, no problem.
Hello. सर जैसे कि मैंने सर आपने बोला कि हम कहाँ एक क्वेश्चन है कि हम कैसे कैसे प्लानिंग करेंगे. सपोज मैंने 1 करोड़ रुपए है तो उसमें से मैंने सर फेसबुक के लिए कर दिया. उसमें से सर जैसे कि हम 2 टाइप के एडवर्टीजमेंट करेंगे, ब्रांडिंग एंड कस्टमर एक्विजिशन एड. 2 टाइप्स के एडवर्टीजमेंट करेंगे. तो हम इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं क्या कि ब्रांडिंग एड में हम कुछ पैसे लगाएंगे, कुछ पैसे हम कस्टमर एक्विजिशन एड में स्पेंड करेंगे, फिर सर हमको ये वेबसाइट क्रिएट करने के भी लिए भी पैसे उसमें स्पेंड करने होंगे?
So वेबसाइट का आप साइट यू कैन पुट इट असाइड, एज्यूम दैट एक वेबसाइट बनाने की टीम है जो आपको बना के देगी, सो यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड एनीथिंग ऑन दैट। सो आप फोकस करो कि वेबसाइट का, अज्यूम करो कि वेबसाइट बनी हुई है, एक अलग इंजीनियरिंग और डेवलपमेंट टीम है जो वेबसाइट आपके लिए बनाएगी।
ओके, सिर्फ मुझे एडवर्टीजमेंट में पैसे कहाँ लगाने हैं ये सारी चीजें देखनी है बस।
हाँ राइट,
कहाँ कहाँ मुझे।
किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लगाओगे,
ओके सर।
कौन सा मॉडल लोगे, मतलब कॉस्ट पर क्लिक मॉडल, पे पर क्लिक लोगे या पे पर इम्प्रेशन लोगे।
ओके 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 सर, आई अंडरस्टूड। ओके, थैंक यू सर।
नो प्रॉब्लम। Anybody else, any questions? So let me think. So you can type also, or you can speak up also, or I think just type, that would be better. So now in last 4 sessions you have gone through social media marketing. So you have to rate your confidence now or your knowledge. So when you started, what were your how will you rate out of 5? So when we started this session in November end, if I have to ask you where you guys were on social media marketing, so where you will rate yourself 1 month back out of 5? Feel free to type, or if you cannot type, feel free to unmute.
हेलो
Yeah, Jyoti.
सर।
Yeah.
सर वन थिंग, सर लास्ट क्लास आपने बताया था कि कस्टमर CAC कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, जैसे कि हमने आप जो डेटा सेंड किया था तो हमें डेटा फाइंड आउट करना था, तो जो डेटा हमने भेजा था उसमें सर कैसे हम CAC कैलकुलेट करेंगे? एक बार एक्चुअली लास्ट क्लास में आपने बताया था तो मैं फॉरगेट कर दी थी, सर बता दीजिए।
I ले जाता हूँ. So customer acquisition cost, right?
यस सर।
Yeah, so customer acquisition cost is simple, like your total marketing campaign cost divided by total customer acquired. So for example, if you take this example, so you have a total budget of 4 crore. Let's say you spend 4 crore and you able to acquire only let's say 1,000 customer. So your CAC would be 4 crore divided by 1,000. What is total amount you spend divided by number of customer you acquire.
ओके सर, सो हियर टोटल, अगर हमारा टोटल क्लिक है, सो टोटल क्लिक डिवाइडेड बाय दैट नंबर सेल।
Not total click, total amount you spend on marketing. So let's say you spend 4 crore, the budget which you have for this campaign, right?
Okay.
And you are able to acquire only 1,000 customers by the end of 6 months. So your customer acquisition cost is 4 crore divided by 1,000, which is 40,000. So you spend 40,000 rupees to acquire one customer. So why it is important? Let's say your product value or your product profit is 1,000 rupees and you are spending 40,000 to acquire one customer. And if it is a one-time product like water purifier, which generally person buy once in 5-6 years, so then definitely you are going to run in a huge losses. Got my point?
Okay, sir, got it.
So if you follow these, these startups news and all those stuff. So if you are not sure if you heard that, most of these startups like Snapdeal, Flipkart, Zomato, or all other, even the worst is these food delivery apps. So they have a negative CLTV. So their customer not the CLTV, but if their current uh, or the current profit is so basically they are into losses, right? Because right now their CAC is too high. So for example, if you give a lot of discounts, so those discounts also come into marketing budget, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Okay, sir.
So Pinky rated herself as 1 in November. What about you, Aditya, Jyoti, Vineet?
Yes, sir, others is not there.
Sorry?
Other members is not there. My group members.
No. So my question was that, okay, Aditya, I was asking out of 5. So when you started, so if you go back in past and if you have to rate out of 5 in November where you were and where you are today. So I want to understand, whether you have gained something out of these 4 sessions. Okay. So you all think these are helpful. Hey, can you put yourself on mute? There's a lot of background noise. Okay. So any other questions? Okay. So now we have representatives from group 1, 2, 1 and 3. So anybody has completed their assignment as presentation ready? I think Aditya did shared. So Aditya, you want to go ahead with the presentation? Aditya? Yeah, I think that's fine. You can present whatever you have done till now. At least you'll have somebody to present the case. So are you comfortable in doing the presentation now? Okay. So I'll make you the presenter, and I know then you can share presentation and walk us through.
Sir, why don't you upload that? I'll explain from here.
Okay.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen now? I've run your presentation now. Okay. So tell me, what should I do? Should I? Yeah, so here on screen, you are on first slide. So you would like to explain this slide? Satya, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you want to present this slide? I've opened it and broadcast it for all.
Sir, we are only. I can only see presentation from the groups on assignment. The slide.
You're let me do. Sir, you are not able to see the presentation.
No, sir.
What about now? Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, these are the possible returns of number of customers acquired from Facebook that in age group of 28 to 45 non-metro cities,
Mm-hmm.
the CAC was 499 rupees and 0.3689,
Mm-hmm.
and above above 45 plus age group in all metro and non-metro, our CAC is 300 rupees 305 rupees 0.95 paise. Although sir, the sale is less in 45 plus compared to 28 to 45. I think अगर यहाँ पे हमारा सेल इंक्रीज होके थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाए तो हमें कैक जो है वो 305 से भी कम पड़ेगा.
Mm-hmm. So you are saying कि आप Facebook पे फोकस करोगे?
Yes, sir. I'll focus on Facebook mostly. After that, LinkedIn.
Okay. So age group 45 plus. Okay.
Customer acquisition is less.
And 45 plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Age group of 28 to 45 non-metro is little higher compared to age group of above 45. As from the data, we can see the total sale on investment and profit and loss on different age group and in different locations.
Okay.
Customer acquisition cost defines how much we should spend and on which age group.
Okay.
इससे हम ये इस डाटा से हम देख पा रहे हैं कि हमारे को किस एज ग्रुप पे ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए और किस पे नई कौन से लोकेशंस पे करना चाहिए.
Mm-hmm.
प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से भी हम देख पा रहे हैं 499.3689 में हमारे को प्रॉफिट भी हो रहा है एज वेल एज थोड़ा सा ही हायर है हमारा 45 प्लस एज ग्रुप से.
Okay.
तो हमको इन दोनों 28 टू 45 बोथ पे हम और 45 प्लस तो दोनों पे हम फोकस अगर करेंगे और थोड़ा सा अगर स्ट्रेटेजी लगा के अपनी सेल 84 जैसे इसमें दिखा रहे हैं इससे थोड़ा और इंक्रीज करेंगे तो हमारा कैक जो है वो और कम हो जाएगा कंपेयर टू 45 प्लस.
Okay.
तो हमारा एज सेगमेंट जो है वो 28 प्लस से ही हम लेके चलेंगे.
Okay.
नॉन मेट्रो एंड ऑल.
Okay. What about LinkedIn?
Yeah. In LinkedIn, sir, 34 plus age group is the cost acquisition cost is higher than other. Like in 28,000, as we can say in 25 to 36 non-metro, 2,800 rupees. This is very high as compare, and in 34 plus non-metro cities में 3,690 rupees per customer पड़ेगा. But in 34 plus metro cities में हमारे को 1,280 rupees का per customer पड़ रहा है and इस पे हमारे को profit भी हो रहा है. But अगर हम इसमें भी अपनी सेल बढ़ाते हैं तो हमारे को डिफरेंस थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. ये 1200 से जैसे जैसे हमारी सेल इंक्रीज होती जाएगी वैसे वैसे हमारा कैक जो है वो कम हो जाएगा. As in 25 to 34 metro, the CAC is 1385. थोड़ा हाई है उससे, लेकिन एज ग्रुप और प्रॉफिट से हम थोड़ा कर सकते हैं. हम इस चीज को भी कंट्रोल करेंगे. मतलब सेल अगर हम बढ़ाते हैं 525 की 24 से, जैसे अगर ये 524 की जगह 1010 हो जाती है हमारी सेल, तो ये कैक और कम हो जाता है हमारा.
Okay. So this is what you have explained in this, right?
Yes, sir. Age group of 34 plus in metro. Yes.
ठीक है. Google Ad.
Sir, I don't think we should spend in Google AdWords because it's metro cities and age group. हमारा all लेके हमारा कैक जो पड़ रहा है वो 842 रुपीज पड़ रहा है, और इसमें सेल जबकि हमारी इतनी ज्यादा है, तो I don't think we should concentrate this in Google AdWords.
नहीं, पर
Purify
अगर आप देखो तो आपकी गूगल एड मेट्रो में 842 कैक है, राइट? और द सेम साइड आपकी लिंक्डइन में कैक जो है वो
524
कहीं
524 है.
लिंक्डइन में कहाँ 524 है?
सर मेट्रो सिटीज में 524 है.
कैक की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, कस्टमर एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट.
ओके.
So customer acquisition cost in LinkedIn is way high than your Google, right? Google Metro all Metro 842 है, right? और यहाँ पे आपका lowest जो है वो 1280 है. Even Facebook में जो है आपका
सर वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट भी सर हमारी डिफरेंट है, और वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट भी डिफरेंट आ रहा है.
नहीं, प्रॉफिट तो कम आएगा ना लिंक्डइन में फिर, राइट?
सर 1,48,000.
नहीं, सो देखो एक चीज है, तो प्रॉफिट ज्यादा आना एक अलग चीज है, और योर रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट आरओआई आपको देखना पड़ेगा. जो कैक है वो आपको, तो बेसिकली यू आर सीइंग कि ठीक है भाई 34 प्लस मेट्रो में आपका जो प्रॉफिट है वो अराउंड 7,26,000 है, राइट?
यस सर.
राइट, एंड द अमाउंट व्हिच you have spent is how much? 20,20,000, right?
No sir, 12,93,522 rupees.
Okay, yeah. So the investment is 12 lakh, right?
वो सेल होने के बाद जो हमारा प्रॉफिट आया है वो 7,26,077 रुपीज.
अप्रोक्सीमेटली अगर आप देखो तो 13 लाख रुपए की आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट करी और आपके पास 7,26,000 रुपए का प्रॉफिट आया, राइट?
यस सर.
राइट. और अगर आप लिंक्डइन में या गूगल में देखते हो तो गूगल में आपने 19 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट करी, राइट?
यस सर.
आपको 26 लाख का प्रॉफिट आया, तो आपका आरओआई किस में जाता है?
यस सर. एडवर्ड्स पे सर.
हाँ, और एडवर्ड्स को
842.
हाँ, बट आपकी रिकमेंडेशन एडवर्ड्स के लिए है कि एडवर्ड्स पे नहीं करना चाहिए. इवन अगर आप एडवर्ड्स का नॉन मेट्रो सेगमेंट भी देखो जो आपने रेड कर रखा है 10,012 कैक, राइट, विच इज वे बेटर देन योर लिंक्डइन.
ओके सर.
See, what you have to focus is कि so when you are considering CAC, you have to really see CAC जो है आपको exactly बताएगा कि आपकी acquisition cost कितनी आ रही है, राइट? तो अगर आपको 13 लाख रुपए खर्च करके आपको 7,26,000 मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है, और एक जगह आपको 19 लाख खर्च करके 26 लाख मिल रहे हैं, सी द डिफरेंस. अगर आप यहाँ पे अगर आप गूगल वर्ड में, तो अगर आप यहाँ पर 19 लाख भी खर्च कर दोगे लिंक्डइन में तो आपको कितना मिल जाएगा? 9 लाख, अगर इसी रेटिंग पे चलते हैं तो.
हाँ सर. यस यस सर.
राइट. सो the data says that you should focus on Google ad on top. It seems that जो people जो LinkedIn पे आते हैं, they are not interested in buying water filter at that time. So it's more like intuitive. So Google AdWords is more intuitive search, right? So if I do a
yes sir
buy water filter, then it means I am 50% sure that I need to buy, right? आप जो कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, आप CTR पे कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, राइट? गूगल एडवर्ड में CTR आता है.
यस सर. ठीक है सर, नो।
What customer segment will be targeting? Facebook is right. LinkedIn, I don't agree with LinkedIn. Google again. So what we discussed. So मेरे हिसाब से Google जो है वो आपका highly focus होना चाहिए. How we are going to use different online channels to acquire customers? SEO search optimization, paid search, social media, email marketing. Okay. So but you have not so आपने बताया कि हाँ हमारी सेल बढ़ जानी चाहिए और ऐसा होना चाहिए, बट वो बढ़ाओगे कैसे?
सर सोशल मीडिया जो मार्केटिंग के जो चैनल्स हैं उनके थ्रू हम बढ़ाएंगे, जैसे मैंने बताया एसईओ।
हाँ तो वही तो असाइनमेंट
हमारा हो गया।
अगर आप असाइनमेंट खोलोगे और इफ यू ओपन दिस असाइनमेंट, right, so if you see the ask was create a detailed plan, what can be the possible return, how do you plan to allocate budget? तो आपने अभी ये नहीं बताया कि जो आपका 4 करोड़ का बजट है आप कहाँ डालोगे, सेगमेंटेशन आपने टारगेट कर लिया, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू यूज डिफरेंट ऑनलाइन चैनल्स जो आपने बता दिया, एक सैंपल ऐड बनाना था, स्टिल फाइन, राइट? तो the biggest part is missing कि इस बजट को किस तरह से allocate करके you will save, increase the sales, right? कि आप फेसबुक में कितना इन्वेस्ट करोगे, आप गूगल में कितना इन्वेस्ट करोगे, ठीक है?
जैसे फेसबुक है हमारा, फिर
हेलो, हेलो,
हेलो
हाँ
हेलो
हाँ आ रही है
यस सर।
बता दो
सर हम अपना जो 1 करोड़ का बजट है उसको हम डिवाइड कर लेंगे।
तो वो दिखा, वो
ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग।
हाँ तो वही चीज अभी मिसिंग है इस असाइनमेंट में। एक तो ऐड कॉपी मिसिंग है ऑब्वियसली, दूसरा मिसिंग है कि वो आप बनाओगे, मतलब कैसे एलोकेट करोगे, क्या स्ट्रेटेजी रखोगे, कितना कहाँ पे करोगे।
सर कैन आई मेल यू दैट थिंग लेटर?
अभी यू स्टिल हैव टाइम, देखो, बिकॉज अभी किसी और ने भी सबमिट नहीं करा, सो इट इज गुड दैट एटलीस्ट यू हैव आपने इनिशिएटिव लेके प्रेजेंट करी अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन, which is good, which shows confidence in you, and this is what it is. So at least ये कि आपने discussion करा, now you know what are the gaps, so go back and fix those, ठीक है? अपनी जो recommendation है उसको भी fix करना चाहो तो fix कर सकते हो, and you can resubmit it, वो issue नहीं है।
ओके सर।
Okay. Anybody else, कोई और प्रेजेंट करना चाहता है? ग्रुप और कौन से ग्रुप में है? विनीत, आप अकेले हो अपने ग्रुप में, यू वांट टू प्रेजेंट?
यस सर, एक्चुअली सर मैं थर्ड वाला क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाया था, नेटवर्क वीक था, मैं ट्रैवलिंग में था, तो हो नहीं पाया सर अभी तक।
ठीक है,
तो इसलिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ।
अभी ग्रुप 2 का भी नहीं हुआ है, ग्रुप 4 का भी नहीं हुआ है।
यस सर।
ऑल्दो हमारी लास्ट डेट क्या थी? हमारी लास्ट डेट 31 दिसंबर थी, तो आई कैन गिव यू फ्यू मोर डेज, आई थिंक बाय, ट्राई टू सबमिट बाय ट्यूसडे, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट, ठीक है?
ओके सर,
और if
I'll do that.
required, I'll talk to Ashish and we can have one more class maybe next Sunday, okay, to walk through
yes sir
questions you have.
Yes sir, please manage one more class.
ठीक है, I'll find. So what you can do is I'll drop an email to Ashish and he can tell me.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
We can work on it, not an issue.
Okay.
So do you have any questions? Anybody have any question? Otherwise we can close this class and I can schedule one more class.
Yes sir, no.
Hello.
Yeah, Jyoti.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Jyoti.
Sir, here in that presentation, if we are calculate CAC, So total investment, I think total cost, total investments is that. So is the total number of customer in that?
क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था दोबारा बताना?
सर मैंने ये पूछा कि CAC इफ वी कैलकुलेट CAC, सो अगर हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर ऊपर देखा जाए 726080 है, सो हम डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर, तो नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर मतलब टोटल सेल जो है 524।
तो अगर आप कैलकुलेटर
ये होगा
726080, राइट? This is the total investment.
Yes.
Divided by number of sale.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो ये कैलकुलेटर दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो आपकी सेल कितनी? आपने इन्वेस्ट करा 726080, राइट? ये आपने इन्वेस्ट करा, which is your divided by number of customer you acquired. So you acquired, आपने 524 सेल करा. So what your CAC is 1385, which is this.
Okay, means total investment divided by number of cell.
Right.
Okay, sir.
आ गया ना?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other questions anybody has? Okay. Okay then, I think we can close this class, and I'll drop an email to Ashish. I'll ask him to schedule one more class maybe next week, Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Sir.
Sir?
Yeah, Jyoti, go ahead.
सर मैं ये बोल रही थी सर, ये असाइनमेंट हम बाय वेडनेसडे नहीं सबमिट कर सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि सर ट्यूसडे को हमारा एक एग्जाम का वो मिड टर्म एग्जाम सबमिट करना है सर, तो प्लीज वेडनेसडे को करते हैं।
ठीक है, आप थर्सडे तक कर दो, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
एक और दिन ले लो, थर्सडे तक कर दो। ट्यूसडे को एग्जाम है मिड टर्म का, आप थर्सडे तक कर दो, सो दैट हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में सैटरडे या संडे को हम कर देंगे।
ओके सर।
ओके
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ओके, चलो, थैंक्स एंड एंजॉय। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल।
Happy New Year, sir. Once more.
ओके, थैंक यू।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू आल्सो, थैंक यू।
Okay, see you, sir.